Hey everyone! Welcome everyone! Welcome. So glad you're here. Today, we're going to do something super cool and super useful. We're going to cook, and guess what? While we cook, we're going to learn English. Yes, you heard that right. Cooking and English together. It's like a secret superpower, right? Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. English while cooking, is that even possible? And my answer, my friends, is a resounding yes, because real learning, happens when you're doing something you love, when you're relaxed, when you're having fun. And what's more fun than making something delicious, right? This isn't about boring textbooks or long lists of words. This is about real life. This is about making English a part of your everyday, amazing life. So, get ready to unlock your English potential, one delicious bite at a time. Today, we're making something super simple, super tasty. Scrambled eggs. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's do this. All right, my culinary comrades, before we get our hands dirty, we need some supplies. Think of it like a treasure hunt. But instead of gold, we're looking for eggs, and maybe some butter, and salt. You know, the usual suspects. Now don't go raiding your neighbor's fridge. Unless they've invited you for breakfast, then it's totally fine. Just kidding, mostly. First, we need eggs. How many eggs? Well, that depends on how hungry you are, or how many friends you're feeding. For me, today, I'm going to use 2 eggs. See? Simple. 1, 2. Easy. Next, we need some butter. Just a little bit. Not too much. Unless you want a butter-flavored egg, which actually doesn't sound too bad. But for now, just a little bit. And finally, salt. Just a pinch, a tiny, tiny pinch, like the amount you'd use to season a very, very small, imaginary bird. Got it? Now, here's the big secret. The real magic ingredient for learning English naturally. It's curiosity. It's asking, what's that? It's trying new things. Just like we're trying this recipe. Every time you learn a new word or understand a new sentence, it's like finding a hidden gem. So keep that curiosity burning, my friends. It's the most powerful tool in your learning kitchen. Are you ready for the next step? I know I am. Let's get cracking. Okay, deep breath, everyone. We've got our ingredients. Now, let's prepare them. This is where the magic truly begins. Think of this as your first step on a wonderful journey. Every big journey, every great achievement, starts with a single, simple step. And today, that step is cracking these eggs. It's not about being perfect. It's about doing it. It's about trying. And it's about learning from every single attempt. So, take your egg. Hold it gently, but firmly. Now, find a hard surface, the edge of a bowl or the counter, and gently, but with purpose, tap the egg. Just once. Not too hard, not too soft. You want to see a small crack. See? Just like that. Now, put your thumbs in the crack and pull the shell apart. Slowly, carefully, let the egg, the beautiful golden egg, fall into the bowl. Don't worry if a little piece of shell falls in. It happens to the best of us. We can always take it out later. See? You did it. You cracked an egg. Give yourself a little cheer. You deserve it. This, my friends, is exactly like learning English. Sometimes it feels a little bit messy. Sometimes you might make a small mistake. But every single time you try, every single time you speak a new word or form a new sentence, you are taking a step forward. You are building something amazing. You are cracking open new possibilities. So, embrace the cracks. Embrace the little imperfections, because they are all part of your unique, beautiful learning journey. You are doing great. Keep going. What's next? Let's find out. All right, so we've got our eggs safely nestled in the bowl. No shell fragments, hopefully. If you do have some, don't panic. It's not a crisis. It's just extra protein. Or, a little crunch. My grandma used to say, "A little shell never hurt anyone." Of course, she also said, "Eat your vegetables, they'll make you strong." And I'm still waiting for my superhero powers. So take that with a grain of salt, or in this case, a grain of eggshell. See what I did there? Comedy gold, people. Comedy gold. Now for the fun part. We're going to whisk these eggs. And when I say whisk, I mean really whisk. Not like you're gently stirring your tea. No, no, no. We want to introduce these eggs to each other. We want them to become best friends. So grab a fork, or a whisk if you're fancy, and start moving it around, quickly, energetically. Make sure you get all the yellow and all the white mixed together. You want it to look like a pale, yellow, liquid sunshine. Keep going, faster, faster. Feel the power, feel your arm getting a little tired. That's good. That means you're doing it right. Now here's the crucial part, the moment of truth, the point of no return. Don't mess this up. Just kidding, mostly. The truth is, even if you don't whisk it perfectly, your eggs will still be delicious. Just like your English. It doesn't have to be perfect to be understood. It doesn't have to be flawless to be powerful. Every word you speak, every sentence you form, even with a little wobble, is a step towards fluency. So don't be afraid to make a mess, to make a mistake. That's how we learn. That's how we grow. You're doing amazing. Let's keep this momentum going. Next up, the heat is on. This is it. The moment we've been waiting for. The moment where all our hard work, all our preparation comes together. This is where the raw ingredients transform into something truly special. And isn't that just like life? Isn't that just like learning? We start with little pieces, sometimes unsure, sometimes a bit messy. But with patience, with effort, and with a little bit of heat, we create something beautiful, something nourishing. This isn't just about cooking eggs, it's about building something, brick by brick, word by word, until you have a masterpiece. Your English journey is your masterpiece in the making. So put your pan on the stove. A small pan is good. Now turn on the heat. Not too high, not too low. We want medium heat. Just right. Like a warm hug. Now take that little piece of butter we talked about. Put it in the pan. Watch it melt. See how it spreads? It becomes a beautiful, golden liquid. Now pour your eggs into the pan. Listen, do you hear that gentle sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness beginning. That's the sound of your English growing. As the eggs cook, gently push them from the edges to the center with a spatula. Don't stir too much, just gentle pushes. See how they start to thicken? They become soft and fluffy. They smell amazing, don't they? That warm, buttery, eggy smell. It's the smell of success. It's the smell of progress. And soon you'll taste the reward of your efforts. This is where the magic happens. Right here, in this pan. Just like the magic happens inside your mind, every time you connect a new word to an old idea. Every time you bravely speak a sentence, even if it's not perfect. This is the moment of transformation. This is the moment you realize that you are capable of so much more than you ever imagined. You are not just cooking eggs. You are cooking up a brighter future for yourself. You are building confidence. You are building a new skill, and you are doing it. One simple, delicious step at a time. Keep believing in yourself. You've got this. Almost there. Let's get ready to enjoy the fruits of our labor. The fruits of our labor. And there you have it, my amazing chefs and English learners. Look at what you've created. Beautiful, fluffy, delicious scrambled eggs. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. You deserve it. You didn't just cook a meal today. You cooked up some serious English skills. You proved that learning can be fun. It can be natural. And it can be delicious. Remember those words we learned? Eggs, butter, salt. We learned to crack, to whisk, to melt, to sizzle, and to push. Simple words, but powerful actions. Actions that you can now use in your everyday life in English. Learning English, just like cooking, is a journey. It's not about being perfect on the first try. It's about showing up every single day. It's about trying even when it feels a little bit hard. It's about celebrating every small victory, every new word, every new sentence, because every single step, no matter how small, takes you closer to your dreams. Imagine all the amazing things you can do, all the incredible people you can talk to, all the wonderful stories you can share when you feel confident speaking English. That future, that amazing future is waiting for you, and you are building it right now with every single effort you make. So don't stop here. Keep cooking, keep learning, keep exploring. Practice these words, use them, make them your own. And remember, the kitchen is just one place where you can learn English naturally. The whole world is your classroom. Go out there, be brave, be curious, and keep making delicious progress. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun ways to learn English. You are capable of incredible things. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning. See you soon. See you soon.